87-year-old lady who came suffering for pain for almost 7 years from the back of the neck going up the head. So when she came, she had had treatments in various hospitals in Bangladesh, in India, in various cities in India, including Chennai, but no relief from the pain. So when she came and met me first at MGM hospital, we clinically diagnosed her to have a condition called occipital neuralgia, where the pain comes from the back of the neck to the back of the head. But first we had to diagnose that this was actually the problem. So we did a high definition 3 Tesla MRI, which we have here at MGM, and after consulting with the neuroradiologist, we then decided that this was probably the cause of her problem, which was not addressed properly and not effectively enough previously. We then decided to have a discussion, and we had a multidisciplinary team discussion with the intervention radiologist, Dr. Naveen, Dr. Arun, to decide on what will be the best way, but minimally invasive, without an operation, to cure her of her pain. Regularly, we have been doing, as neurosurgeons, operations for these conditions, but with technology currently present, I wanted to know from them whether we can use this technology to help her without a major operation. So after many discussions, we then decided that we will try this new technology which is present, which is RF ablation with a cool tip which can control the temperature at that place, because it's a very critical place. It's not a simple place to even do surgery. It's a very critical place because there are a lot of complicated structures around there. So we discussed this. Dr. Ponnayan, our neuroanesthetist in charge, was also consulted because he had to give anesthesia in the CT room. So what was decided, we will do it in the CT room with the help of the CT scan to guide us to go there and do the RF ablation of the C2 ganglion. Now this is pure teamwork, because even as they were doing the procedure, we were all sitting there. Myself, my neuroanesthetist, my neuroradiologist, to make sure and to guide them, help them identify different structures, to make sure that they were in the right place, so that the most important thing with this is that you have to be at the right place. If you are at the right place, you will be absolutely correct. So this is what was done, and immediately after, the patient had complete relief, and she is very happy and going back tomorrow to her own home in Bangladesh.
Pinhole kind of a thing. So sutures கிடையாது, எதுவுமே கிடையாது. ஒரு small pinhole we use the CT imaging. தமிழ்ல சொல்லுவாங்க. ஒரு நுண்துளை சிகிச்சை மூலமா வந்துட்டு ஒரு பின்ஹோல் மாதிரியான ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு மார்க்கை வச்சு நம்ம சிடி ஸ்கேனோட கைடன்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணி உள்ள போயிட்டு நம்ம RF எனர்ஜியை கொடுத்து என்ன பிரச்சனைக்கு காரணமான அந்த ஒரு நரம்பு முடிச்சு அந்த நர்வ் ஜங்ஷனை வந்துட்டு நம்ம கண்ட்ரோல்டு அப்ளேஷன் சொல்லக்கூடிய ஒரு சரியான அளவில் ஒரு வெப்பத்தை கொடுத்து அந்த இடத்துல பெயின் எடுத்துட்டு போற அந்த சமிக்ஞைகளை எடுத்து போறக்கூடிய அந்த நரம்பை வந்துட்டு நம்ம அழிச்சு பேஷண்ட்டுக்கு பெயின் ரிலீஃப் கொடுத்துருவோம். இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் இன் இந்தியா.
ওকে, এখন তো ব্যথা কিছু নেই, বলুন বলুন। So she's saying she's fine. And Batha means pain in Bengali, so she's saying there is no pain. তো কেমন লাগলো এখানে যে আপনার প্রসিজারটা হয়েছে, কেমন আছে? ভালো লেগেছে? আপনি এখন বাড়ি গিয়ে ভালো সবগুলো কাজবাজ করবেন? হ্যাঁ, করতে পারবেন? So she can go back and do all her household work and other work. আপনার কেমন লাগছে?
খুব ভালো লাগছে।
হ্যাঁ,
খুব ভালো লাগছে।
ভালো লাগছে?
কারণ আমার এই স্ত্রী দীর্ঘ 5 বছর যাবৎ বাংলাদেশ, কলকাতা, চেন্নাই এখনো সবজায়গায় ট্রিটমেন্ট করেছে, কিন্তু কোনো জায়গায় আমি সফলতা পাই না। কিন্তু এই এমজিএমে এসে আমরা তারাই
So the husband is also very happy that his wife is now absolutely all right. They've been suffering, going around different hospitals in Bangladesh, Calcutta, Chennai, different places, but only now that they are happy that they have got their relief. আর কিছু বলতে চান? হ্যাঁ, কিছু বলতে চান? Thank you.
blood vessels are going on this side, and we have to target this junction of nerves. So how would we do it without burning the adjacent spinal cord? Spinal cord எரிச்சு விட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு paralysis வந்துடும். அதே போல cardiorespiratory center இந்த இடத்துல இருக்குது. பாதிப்பு இருந்ததுன்னா it can even sometimes, if not done properly, it can result in the death of the patient. So we have to be very careful and very accurate about where we position it and how we do it. So that this is the junction, or called the ganglion, where all these nerve endings are going and meeting, creating a knot of sorts. And from here it is the pain fibers travel into the brain, taking the pain information from the head. So when we destroy this, we block the pain that is being transmitted to our brain. So this is
prone position, and we will be approaching from the back of the neck. I will run through, and this is a peristaltic pump wherein the water will circulate into the tip of the needle. And this is how it looks. This is a patient. This is the needle which was positioned at the area of the ganglia, and this is the RF electrode which is being connected to that machine. See clearly. So this is the temperature graph. Okay. After starting, it just reached 60 degrees, and it constantly maintained at 60 degrees. We updated it for a period of 2.5 minutes at 60 degrees Celsius.